Okay, I'm taking it. I'm taking it, both of you guys. Both are in action. Both are going. They're going. Good job, guys. Good job. She's going. Good job, both of you. Jalen and Lena. #1 athletes. And Altan is the cheerleader.
And he's cheering for his mother. Oh my God!
What? Oh, I didn't see it. I was videotaping it, but I didn't see it. Trying to get the remote. Okay, get it. He's not playing with it. Just take it. Say, give it to me and take it. Can I have it and take it? Do it, Jaden. Do it. That's how it's gonna go. Come on, Jaden. Oh.
Did you see that? I just flipped over the...
Yes. Today is Latina's birthday. And he's sick. Okay, I'll take it. No, I got it. Altan, ver. Thank you, Jesham. See? Good job, Jesham. Aferin. Altan, look. Look at me, you guys. You too, boys. Okay. Good job, Lena. Jane, out of the street, please. I want you out of the street. Okay.